pain like two bad nurses. And the pain from these here motherfucking verses. Ridiculous thirsts involving hearses. To the dirt shit first, big Simmons and autos to work with. Slugs to the shirt shit, just a squirt shit. I'm picking it with an expert kid. From birth to the earth split, it'll hurt, bitch. Show you how worse it than worse get. In the zone, see the vein when the pain repellers in the clothes and the curtains, bitch. When adrenaline's pumping, I don't understand discussion. Only hear certain shit. I'm a misunderstood nigga, and I'm off my square. How got me reversing clips and dispersing shit.
What can I say to make you see how the fuck I feel? To make me wanna jump off of the edge. I'm charged up and stuff is getting shot up on the legs. Don't pain instead of cane, I took a blood off to the head.
So tell me what it's
retaliate with lethal repercussion. I feel a reefer rushing and go into things like it's a wicked stick. If the Benadryl or hop like a finna steal to get the kicking shit for niggas and bitches that I kick it with. I was born to get you.
I think I did a decent job for now. I'm still got to do a little bit more to it. Let's see if this thing works. I gotta wait on my batteries and stuff to come. I think I did a decent job for now. I'm still got to do a little bit more to it.